In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Halloween Bitmoji outfit on Snapchat. So all you need to do is make sure you're running the latest update of Snapchat. So if you haven't updated your Snapchat in a while, go to the App Store and update your Snapchat. And then you just want to launch Snapchat. Then you want to tap on your Bitmoji at the top left, or it might have your story if you've uploaded a story. But tap on that on the top left, and then you want to scroll down to where it says change outfit. Tap on change outfit, and now you can see that you have the Halloween outfits, and you can choose between this pumpkin with the light, this other pumpkin, and there are more. If you scroll down, there's a skeleton, and you can just go ahead and select the one that you want to use. So it's very quick and simple to do. Just make sure you're running the latest update of Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.